And then me on top of that. All right, guys, so today's video is one that I've been wanting to do forever, and it's like this routine that I've been doing that's 5 steps. There's literally only 5 makeup products, and it just makes your skin look so fire, like so smooth and even and glowy and radiant. It just looks so good, and it's really quick and easy to do as well. So I am going to start off with the skincare prep. So this video is sponsored by Clarins and their best-selling double serum. It's a really cool product. If you haven't tried it out, it is fire. Okay, it gives your skin that like very plump, youthful, radiant look. It just looks so good. Like, woo! Woo! I've been using this for years, actually. I first heard about it from Naomi Smart. That's who I heard about it from. I used to watch like all the UK vloggers. I love them still, but like I was obsessed back in the day. And anytime that any of them would talk about something like, you know, Zoella, Alfie, Naomi Smart, Tanya Burr, any of them, I'd be like, I'm buying it. Anyways, that's how I heard about it. It's a really cool product and a really cool brand. They were actually founded in a Parisian beauty institute, and they become like the number one prestige skincare brand in Europe, which is awesome. And I love that, you know, they're family owned. They do a lot of work to commit themselves to sustainably sourcing ingredients. And on top of that, they actually work with a ton of charities. Like they work with charities on planting trees and also giving back to children in schools of need. So all around, lots of cool stuff. And I don't know, I'm just lucky to be working with them. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so I'm gonna start off with the double serum. What you wanna do, or what I do, whatever you wanna say. Dump it out onto my hand first and press into the skin to really get all of that serum absorbed. And the reason why it's actually called the double serum is because it's part hydric, part lipidic, so it actually has 2 different serums in one that are helping to like really tackle every form of anti-aging, basically. I really see like visibly firmer, smoother, more radiant skin. Even now, like you can actually see the serum, like how like plump it makes my skin look. It looks so fire. And on top of that, I feel like it does help to tighten the pores so that when you do apply makeup on top, you don't see your pores through it, because the serum underneath is like working its magic and you know, doing its job over there. And I'm just gonna finish off, oh my god, this smells so good. I'm just gonna finish it off with the Clarins Multi-Active Jour. I feel so fancy when I say that, but it's their day cream. And again, pressing that into the skin. And this has a really nice lightweight formula for underneath makeup too. You guys, did you notice I have my lash extensions? This makeup look looks really good without lash extensions too, obviously, because I just got these like a couple days ago. So if you just have nothing on your lashes, it looks fire. Like it looks a little bit more like a no makeup routine, but it's really good. So I'm gonna go into the brows now, and I really don't do too much to my brows. I feel like for me, my brows start to look a little crazy if I go too far in. So I just kind of go underneath here on this like lowest part and then brush it through. And I'm using my e.l.f. Ultra Precise brow pencil for this step. I'm using the shade Taupe though, not neutral brown anymore. And then I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid foundation. You just want something that's more on the natural side. I like this one. I like the Makeup Forever Reboot, really good as well. All right, do you see how plump and nice the skin looks? Looks so good. All right, and then for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. It's actually self-setting, so you don't need powder. And then my favorite step of the makeup is the blush. So for this look, I use a cream blush, and you want to find something that has like this peachy pink tone. It's so pretty. So this one's actually from MAC. I got this at Nordstrom Rack though, so honestly, I don't even know if they still have it, but it's called For Your Amusement. But any cream blush will do. And you know, I like to take it real high up these days. I just love it. I feel like my skin look like this routine makes your skin, I'm not trying to hype myself up right now, I swear, but I just feel like this little routine makes your skin look so plump and juicy and glowy enough, but not like crazy. It's so good. So I'm always sure to use a lip liner because, yeah, I just like to even out like my lips. I don't have, you know, like lip fillers or anything like that, so I just kind of like do it all with makeup. So I've been loving this color. It's Wherever Walnut from Makeup Forever, and I just go right at the tip here, really accentuate this cupid's bow, and you can see how that just kind of finishes off the look really nicely. You want to fill it in too. And you just want to choose a color that's very like your lips a bit better. All right, guys, and that is it. That is the quick and easy look I've been wearing lately a lot. I hope you guys like it because it's honestly one of my favorites. I just feel like it's so fresh and youthful, and like the blush does it for me, okay? Thank you, Clarins, for sponsoring this video. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn those notifications on, and I will see you next time. Bye, 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 bye. I look like the Grinch. It's just a little something, something. And then me on top of that.